Calibration is about accuracy, speed, and reliable results, which is exactly what FasTest connectors consistently deliver. Calibrate 5 times faster. Imagine the impact our systems will have on your bottom line. All too often, the traditional process of using tape sealant, wrenches, and sheer muscle still leaves you with leaky connections. The answer is FasTest. Our quick change connection system integrates with your equipment to calibrate valve actuators, pressure gauges, transducers, and transmitters. Our HPB and 60 series are sleeve actuated with a threaded collet design that seals up to 5,000 psi. FasTest calibration connectors eliminate thread damage, minimize contamination of processed media, and rest assured that our built-in safety features won't disconnect under pressure. For calibrating gauges or transmitters equipped with sanitary diaphragms, the CalMate flange connectors are the perfect solution. You can also bundle all of the connections needed with our FastCal calibration kits. It's one easy decision that will instantly improve your calibration throughput. Versatile, reliable, and consistent. FasTest, engineered to deliver.
For more information, please visit Technical.